Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Fred Levi. In this video, what I wanted to do is I wanted to tell you guys about a new program I got. And what this program is, it's a maintenance program, something that we're just bringing out to the market that we want to bring to those of you who are looking for a great budgeting tool. Now what this does is going to go ahead and give you lots of information, and I'm going to follow up this video with an actual walkthrough of the system, but I wanted to just get this information out in front of those who need a way to try to handle and tackle their bills where they are, and see how you could actually get these bills paid off in a quicker manner, how you guys could save money. Now, this is going to be a maintenance profile that we are bringing to the market. And we want you guys to be a part of that. This is going to be we're going to be doing a promo pricing deal to the first 50 people who take advantage of this. For the first 50 people who take advantage, the price, there's a monthly maintenance fee, because that's what this is. The monthly maintenance fee is going to be $4.99. The full price is going to be $9.99 once it goes live. So right now we're doing a promo. We're trying to test the market and see how our clients are responding to it, and we want you guys to take part of it. So it's for the first 50 clients who do sign up. It's going to be $4.99 per month. If you guys are interested in this product and how it works, feel free to comment below so we can get back with you. Give us a call at 800-972-3970. We'd love to schedule a quick walkthrough. Like I said, I am going to do a video this evening in regards to how the system works, to show you guys how you guys can be saving money, and how you guys can take that extra savings, put it towards different debts to, one, pay off your debt, and eventually start to save more money. The tool is a great budgeting tool. It's a great financial tool. We've been using it for a while. We haven't been actually giving it to too many people, as we're just testing the market. And that marketing testing has been completed. We like the results of what we saw. People have gotten out of debt. People have paid down debt, got their debt to income ratio lowered over the past year. So the product does work, and this is what we want to bring to you guys. So like I said, if you guys are interested in this product, comment below, give us a call at 800-972-3970. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification. That way when we do bring out this next video, we'll be able to show you guys exactly how it works. You'll be able to get notification of when that video is uploaded into YouTube. So with that being said, if you guys are looking to take advantage at 50% off, like I said, it's only going to be $4.99 per month. It's a great market budgeting tool to get you guys in the market. If you guys are looking at buying a house or buying a car, you'll be able to see exactly where you guys stand with your bills and what your debt to income ratio is. So with that being said, thanks for watching a quick video. Appreciate you guys for watching. Like I said, subscribe, share the video to those you think might be interested. Just want to get the word out. You guys have a good day.